Have you ever wondered why only a tiny fraction of people become super successful while the rest of us just kind of trudge along? Like, what's the secret sauce, right? Well, today we are going to take a peek into the world of Warren Buffett, one of those crazy successful investors, to see what makes him tick and how he managed to reach the top of the success mountain. Warren Buffett says that learning never stops, and the more you learn, the more you earn. He spends a lot of time reading and learning new things. This is because knowledge builds up over time, giving you an advantage in making smart choices and staying ahead in whatever you do. To succeed, you can't just put in a lot of effort. You also need to work wisely. And to work wisely, you need to keep learning. Warren Buffett, that investing legend, famously said, "The stock market is like a game where impatient folks hand over their cash to those who are willing to win." It's not just about investing, it's a lesson for life. In a world where everyone wants everything yesterday, Buffett, like a shining star, shows us the power of patience and discipline. Reaching success is not like a magic trick that happens with the snap of your fingers. It's like running a marathon. You gotta think long term, resist the temptation to take shortcuts, and keep your eyes on the prize. Buffett thinks it's important to surround yourself with awesome people. He famously said, "It's way better to hang out with people who are cooler than you. If you pick friends who act better than you, you'll start to act like them too." Listen up, the crew you roll with can make or break you. Make sure you're surrounded by people who keep it real, push you to the limit, and inspire you to up your game. It's the secret sauce that separates the successful 2% from the rest of the pack. Warren Buffett, the dude known for his integrity, believes that your reputation is like gold. He once said, "Building a good name takes 20 years, but messing it up only takes 5 minutes." For Buffett, success isn't all about the dough. It's about staying true to yourself and earning people's trust. Your good name is like a valuable treasure. Guard it with your life. It's the backbone of lasting success. So, don't mess it up. In the end, Buffett tells us to take risks, but not blindly. He's not a gambler. He's more like a chess player. Buffett believes that you can't win big without taking some chances. But you need to think about the risk carefully and make sure you understand what you're getting. Being successful isn't about playing it safe. It's about taking calculated risks that make sense. It's about knowing when to make a move and when to chill. So, what's the difference between the 2% and the rest of us? It's all about the way they approach life. They are always learning, making decisions carefully, and hanging out with the right crowd. They also stay true to themselves and take calculated risks. Warren Buffett is a great example of this. If you want to be successful, just follow these simple secrets and you'll be on your way. I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button for more dope advice on crushing your goals and unlocking the beast within. Let's do this.